Hello, what's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Techans. So today I will show you how to change your default download location in your Google Chrome web browser. So here I show you for Android mobile and PC users also. So I does not explain about Google Chrome because all the people are know that and also using it on their smart devices. So directly I go to my tutorial, and this first step is for Android mobile user. So first of all, open your Google Chrome web browser, and this is my latest version of Google Chrome. So now in this section you can press that vertical three dot icon for accessing the settings. But if you are using the older version of Chrome browser, this icon is located at the almost top of right side corner. So just press that icon and then select settings. So here you can scroll down and then locate downloads and then click to open it. So finally I locate my Google Chrome download location in my Android mobile. But if you want to change this location, just press that first option. So here it shows downloads and SD card, which means that first is my internal storage and the second one is my SD card storage. So here I try to choose SD card and the second one, and then click to done, and in bottom it shows exact location in your SD card. So you can remember this location, but my suggestion is always you can enable this second option, ask where to save files, because this setting will prevent unwanted files downloading from Google Chrome, and this is for Android users. So next step is for PC users. So for PC users, just open your Google Chrome web browser. So now in this homepage section, you can press that same vertical three dot icon, and this icon is located at the almost top of right side, and then go to settings. So here you can scroll down and then click to open that advanced settings. So once again it shows lots of settings, but here you can locate download section. So finally I locate it, and also it indicates on default download location. But if you want to change this location to new one, just press that change option and then select your location. So finally here you can see, so in bottom it shows new download location. So once you done this process, so same way here also you can click to enable the second option, ask where to save each file before downloading. So just click to enable this option, because if you download any file, every time it asks for your permission, and this is very safe one. So this is for PC users. So this is the way you can easily change your download location in your Google Chrome web browser. For more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Techans, and thanks for watching.